We are the luckiest
हाँ.
one, guys. We are very lucky.
I am just feeling so jealous of you guys कि हमें
You
इतना
should be.
पिद्दू सा हॉस्टल मिला था H6 where we used to survive like rats. So this is the common recreational area.
We screen movies here. Like after placement season, every night we have a movie screening here.
So this is the best girls hostel at IIT Bombay, and today we are going to have a grand tour of this. And our host is the residing student
Hi
भूमिका
guys.
कारला. तो यार तुम्हारा एक्सपीरियंस कैसे रहा इस हॉस्टल में, तुम बता दो, वो तो अपन देखेंगे ही.
Yeah.
हाँ, बट वो हाउ वाज इट?
I would say it's a wonderful hostel for anybody to live in, and I can vouch on this that this has been the best hostel in any IIT you will ever find.
Yeah,
like the
agreed.
facilities are amazing.
Chalo, let's start. Now we are having the entrance, and again, as you can see, me being a guy is able to enter into a hostel, which is really good because ये काफ़ी सारे IITs में नहीं होता है, गिने चुने IITs में ही होता है. So after having the entry, we have came to this amenities area. तो भूमिका मुझे बताना टेक रूम में क्या होता है यहाँ पे?
Yeah, so basically this is the place for all your activities जहाँ पे आपको bots बनाने होते हैं, कुछ भी prototype बनाना होता है. So this is the place where we do all our technical stuff with the wires and sensors and everything.
So what do you have here exactly? Just a seating space and you can work, kind of.
Yeah, it's just a working space.
Okay, let's have a quick look कि क्या है यहाँ पे. Perfect. And again, you can see
It has been
who
donated by.
are the people behind it.
Yeah, exactly.
Tech room. Now we will be checking the lounge. And so, what is the best part of this hostel? What do you love the most?
This place that I'm gonna
This
show
place?
you.
What a
because
coincidence.
we have foosball, we have so many games, and we have a
Okay.
perfect place where we can sit and chat.
Okay. Wow, you guys have gym as well.
Yeah, exactly. I think it might be closed right now, but
Uh-huh.
yeah, we can have a look.
Oh my God, it is.
Yeah, so this is the girls' gym.
But the equipment seems pretty great to cover all the workout.
Yeah.
Nice. And do you guys also have a trainer? Because in boys
Yeah,
hostel
we
there's
have a trainer. She comes around 5 p.m. every day, 5 to 9 p.m.
Free of cost, right?
Yeah. I would say the place we're gonna go right now is my favorite spot because you get the lakeside view and it's a perfect and a peaceful place
Okay,
where you
let's
can interact.
first go there only. तो अभी तो it is harsh sun, but in evening, I am pretty sure it becomes very beautiful because if you see, there are lots of trees there, and the cherry on the cake is the sun actually sets in the Powai lake. तो पूरा ऑरेंज बन जाता है because obviously sun के rays and then the reflection from water, it becomes all orange, and you can see it here and just experience it. I am just feeling so jealous of you guys कि हमें
You should
इतना
be.
पिद्दू सा हॉस्टल मिला था H6 where we used to survive like rats, and then these guys have these things. So
We are the luckiest
हाँ.
one, guys. We are very lucky.
I mean, I can just imagine the beauty जो आपको नसीब
I mean, the
होती है
sky
यहाँ
is
पे.
all pink around
हाँ.
evening. You get to view a perfect sunset, and it's the most peaceful thing ever.
And also you can, I don't know if you guys are able to hear it in the video, but there are a lot of birds chirping around, and so जो अपन artificially करने की कोशिश करते हैं कि headphone डालो, what do you, nature का music सुनो and all, you don't need to do it. It
Not
is
at all.
already here. So, and as I had mentioned in the earlier video, that project Evergreen is being constructed in a way जहाँ पे minimal number of trees को cut किया गया था, and you can see it here. There are so many trees here which have been here since a long time ago. By the way, Bhumika is in final year. She has been placed in a great company and she is going to survive, like live in this hostel just for a couple of months. How are you feeling? Like यार छोड़ना पड़ रहा है इतना अच्छा हॉस्टल इतने
I
जल्दी.
mean, I would say for the same lifestyle, you have to pay a lot in Mumbai after
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
And yeah, it's gonna be difficult because once you're used to this lifestyle here, it's definitely gonna be difficult to be on your own, you know, at a new place.
And I have already experienced that thing firsthand. It's pretty expensive. Like once you cross the main gate, after every point, जैसे वो पेटीएम का म्यूजिक आता है ना, कोई भी आप पे करो, वो कॉन्स्टेंटली आते रहता है. If you want to have a good food, you will have to pay more. If you want to have a good, what do you say, laundry as well. कुछ भी हो, बेसिक से बेसिक चीज़ें यहाँ पे इतनी सब्सिडाइज होती है, and sometimes even it is free of cost. So this is the common recreational area. You can play foosball, you can play TT, you can play carom, chill around. You guys don't have TV क्या? Because मैंने TV देखा था. अच्छा
We have
okay.
this LED.
Oh my God.
We screen movies here. Like after placement season, every night we have a movie screening here.
I was about to say यार तुम्हारे इसमें टीवी नहीं है बट ठीक है देयर हैज़ बिन नो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन फ्रॉम द टीम बिहाइंड एवरग्रीन और ये डांसिंग रूम होगा राइट
Yeah. You
ला
can have a look. खाली है.
अच्छा खाली है कैन आई डोंट थिंक इट वुड बी ओपन
चाबी अभी लेनी पड़ती है.
नहीं नहीं इट इज़ फाइन वी कैन शो इट ऐसे ही बेस्ट पार्ट फॉर दिस गाइज इज दैट दे हैव देयर ओन पेंट्री दे कैन कुक एंड
कुछ नहीं है ऐसे
लेट
kitchen का
नाइट
video
क्रेविंग्स
बना
को
रहे हैं.
दे कैन फुलफिल एंड वी वर थिंकिंग दैट जो हमने नीचे रिक्रिएशनल रूम के बगल में जो एरिया देखा था दैट वाज द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल पार्ट ऑफ द हॉस्टल बट आफ्टर हैविंग दिस व्यू आई एम हैविंग डाउट्स क्योंकि दिस इज बेटर एक्चुअली
Yeah, so this is the view we get just when we come out of our room. Like good morning ऐसे होती है हमारी.
तो अभी मैं आपको एक बात बताता हूँ यहीं पे बगल में ना एक होटल है वेस्टिन नाम का सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन फॉर इट्स लेक साइड एंड दिस पीपल आर गेटिंग द सेम एक्सपीरियंस एंड नॉट इवन पेइंग दैट hefty amount what that hotel charges. It charges around 10,000 for a night and in fact even better उनका थोड़ा काफ़ी अंदर आता है. So guys, that was the entire tour of Hostel 21 and thank you so much Bhumika for helping us out with this video.
So that was my pleasure, Rushi. It
Okay.
was great time showing you my new hostel and making you jealous for sure.
Oh my god. तो गाइज अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ कमेंट्स में करना थैंक्स भूमिका दी फॉर हेल्पिंग अस विद द वीडियो
Yes,
एंड
yes.
बाकी आप बताना कि आपको नेक्स्ट क्या देखना है एंड वी विल सून हैव अ पॉडकास्ट विद भूमिका बिकॉज शी
Yes.
हैज बीन डूइंग सो मेनी क्रेजी थिंग्स एंड आई वांट यू टू लर्न फ्रॉम इट. वी विल सुपर सून कम बैक टू यू.
Yeah. See you guys.